I had to come on camera to talk to you guys really quick about what I did with this install, as you just saw. If you're new here, my name is Deirdre, aka Raindrops. And if you are a returning drop, what it do, girl? So, as you just saw, the install was the Get the little stock card. It is by Sensational Empire, the Bohemian 10S. I'm assuming that 10 might have been 10-inch. It is 100% human hair. And if you guys saw my community post, I initially had a hairstyle that I did, kept in for like a week and a half. I did some kinky twists. Also, if you're new here, I big chopped my hair again for like the millionth time. August 29th, 28th or 29th. And then I cut it down. It's taper faded. Excuse me. I'll show you the initial cut here. And then a few days later, after the wedding I went to, I cut it down a little bit more on top, and I'll show you that as well. And as you guys can see, my hair is really short. So when I installed those kinky twists, I did the rubber band method, crocheted the hair in, and you can see my haircut still on the side and in the back. But because this side was longer, you couldn't see the tapered, shaved side here. But I know I wanted to take it out and do a quick weave. I wanted longer hair initially, so when I picked up that pack, as you guys saw, I couldn't really tell within the pack. I assumed that it was like 12 inches. But I think just because this actually says 10S, I don't know what the S would be, but the 10, I'm just going to assume it was 10 inches because this hair is not long at all, but it is long enough right at the clavicle bone, hit it at the top of the shoulders. I do like it. All I did was just trim my bang area just a tiny bit. I cut off like maybe 1/2 inch, and I left it as was until I was looking at the curls. I like the curls, but they were a bit kind of uniform, and I knew I wanted to break it up and have like a curly afro. So what I did after the install was to take my pick. First off, I used mousse. Normally, if I had some, I probably could have used it, but I know when I do weaves or any type of synthetic hair or anything like that, I don't want to use my good mousses. The Dew Most Def is one of my favorite, and I didn't want to use that. So when I did my kinky twist, I asked my husband to pick me up some mousse, any cheap mousse. We got the Herbal Essence Curl Moisturizing Mousse. And because this is human hair, it's very soft. I put this in, took my handheld dryer, blow dried it a bit, and then I took the pick and fluffed it out. Also, I did not want a bunch of shine. This is the number 2, so it's like a dark brown. And I took the Got To Be Fresh It Up dry shampoo and sprayed it so it wouldn't be as shiny. I have to get some more. And before the initial install, what you guys saw was the liquid cap. This is the protective shield to protect my hair from the glue. And what I did last night was wash my hair, gel it down, dry it, and then I waited till this morning to go ahead to apply the liquid cap. You must let this dry, so I used my handheld dryer to dry that. Took about 12-13 minutes because I looked at about a 13-minute video, and dried it. And then, as you guys saw, I went on ahead. Oh, I also used the Ibn spray. So when I put the stocking cap on first, I used this as a ball cap method to glue it down. And then I cut the stocking cap around, get all the excess off. And then I applied that protective shield. So after I did all that, you guys saw the install. It was very easy. It didn't take long at all. I say the whole process probably took basically an hour and a half, and that was it. I did not, and as you can see, like on the stock card, her curls, they are not like these. Because again, even though I liked it straight out of the pack, that wasn't a look I was going for, and I just wanted it not to be as uniform. All I did was cut a little bit of the bang area, just trim probably like half of an inch, not much, because I just wanted to frame my face. And then again, like I said, I took the pick and then just went in and fluffed it out, because I like big hair. That's why I miss my real natural hair. It'll be back though, it grows really fast. But yeah, I just wanted it to have a bit more of, you know, definition and for it to be fluffy. So yeah, this is the look. I really like it. And when you see makeup videos from me in the next few weeks, it's basic. My hair is going to be like this. When I was in my 20s, I've never done a quick weave with the cap or anything like that, but I used to glue the tracks into my natural hair. I never had any of my natural hair come out, but I did not want to go through that process again of using conditioner or glue removal to do all of that. So I opted for this, and I like it. I like it a lot. My hair is protected. This washes right out with water. I noticed a little bit had got on my hands when I was putting it on the stocking cap, and when I rinse my hands off, it's very slippery. It's gonna come right off in water. I don't even think you are required to use shampoo. It's literally gonna slide off in the water when I decided. But it is on here very well, very secure. I shouldn't have any problems. So I remember also that I used to leave the hair in for basically a month. Again, this is human hair, so even when I used to wet the hair, because again, my natural hair was covering up the track, so I wet everything. They did not come out. I didn't have any issue with the glue slipping or anything like that. But again, that was years ago. That was a couple of decades ago, and I didn't want to do that. So now I'm glad I found out about this. Even though I wasn't using it, I thought to go back and look, because I did not, like I said, want to glue anything to my hair itself. So this is the completed look tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I also hope you like the look, because I really love it, and it's going to be in for a minute. I'm going to be doing more quick weaves for you guys, different curl patterns. I'm not really a straight girl, you know, even with my natural hair. I never really like to wear my hair straight, but I probably will a couple of times, just, you know, to do something different on the channel so you guys can see, because basically my channel is based on natural curls, and I've done several styles: wigs, crochet hair, braids, twists, and all of that. But normally when I wear my natural hair, it's in its curly state, and again, I like big hair. So yeah, this again is the Bohemian curl by Empire from Sensational, and it was $19.99. I thought that was really good. They did have cheaper hair than that, but that is that human hair blend. I hate that stuff. I really do. There is nothing, people tend to see because it says human hair and then you look and see blend. No, that's synthetic. That's synthetic fibers in with that, and I didn't want to do that. This is 100% human hair. I hope it lasts for quite some time. I really take care of weave when I've worn it, so I don't think I'll have any problems. And yeah, I really do like it. It's soft, it's fluffy, just like I like. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in to another video. And if you are new here, stopping by for the first time, I hope you decide to stick around. I hope you like my vibe and my content. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Like the video. It helps to get more people to come over, you know, push into the algorithm so more people can see it. Share the video because sharing is caring. And I will see you guys in my next upload.